Oh, I'm dead. I am dead, sir. Not anymore.
Welcome back to Claypool Airsoft in Muncie, Indiana. I am, of course, Pup918, and today I'm hosting another open play day and brought along with me another brand new game mode that I've developed. It's a Battle Royale type game with a twist that I've dubbed Go Fish. So here's the quick rundown. Each player is given 4 cards to start the game. These cards serve as a player's life points. You collect these cards from downed players. If you run out of these cards, you're out of the game. Downed players can only respawn at certain locations of their choosing only after a card has been removed from their hand. To win this game, a player must collect 4 of a kind in their hand, make their way to the center of the field, and sound the endgame horn. Friendships are made and lost in this game, and I might have pulled a few questionable moves myself. I'll leave that for you to decide. With that, let's get this game rolling.
You got any kings? Got any kings? Got any kings? You got any kings?
I'm off to a great start despite my usual skepticism of myself, though nobody seems to have any kings for me, so I better keep searching. Now that I have a moment to breathe, let's see what I've got. I see I've got a couple 6s. Maybe I can play that angle as well.
Got any 6s?
Actually, I
Hit!
Shot from behind. Well played.
So close.
Hey! Hey now!
Nope, he's leaving you there.
Alright, I'm back in. Let's go get me some more cards.
Six.
I think you took it first time. Here, how about?
Ooh, that was a close one. I about took another round to the back. So this guy makes the mistake of showing me his cards. Now I know exactly who has the last remaining 6 of clubs I need. So I'm gonna hunker down and stalk him for a bit. Or maybe not.
I felt that. I do. Well, he asked me first, so you don't get one. You got 6?
Okay, well, that was easy. So now I've got all my 4 of a kind. It's time to play cool and get myself to that horn.
He said he's walking to another spawn. You got him? Oh, hit!
Oh, I was almost there. Well, I sat here for quite some time, and I was being used as bait for a good portion of it too. This guy right here with the sniper was picking anybody off that came anywhere near me. Well played, sir. Thankfully he didn't grab any of my 6s. So now I just have to get myself to a respawn point and get to that horn before anybody else can respawn.
Oh, I'm dead. I am dead, sir. Not anymore.
Success! What a rush that was. I had little faith in myself from the beginning, and as things continued, I figured it best to do what needed to be done. What do you think? Did I make some poor decisions to win? Or is it as John Lilly wrote, the rules of fair play do not apply to love and war? Let me know in the comments below. That's it for this game of Go Fish. I've got a couple more games from the day on the way, so keep an eye out by subscribing here. And if you enjoyed this type of game, leave it a like and let me know your thoughts as well. So, I enjoy creating new ways of playing Airsoft, and if you have any game ideas you'd love to see me play, go drop me a message on Facebook. I'd love to hear from you. Well, that's all my time for now. This has been Pup918 reminding you once again, guns up, pants up, and Pup out.